Hey, this is Brett for Blue Monkey, and in this video, we'll check out the Geeko conversion kit from 100G Smart Tech. I'm Brett, new face here at Blue Monkey, ready to rock with some fun and interesting electric mobility tech. My first project is this feature-rich, all-in-one conversion system that is surprisingly sleek and simple. At first glance, we thought it was a ho-hum kit, but there's some really exciting hidden functions. Let's jump in. This kit looks super nice. The water bottle holding looking battery makes for a clandestine electric bike on any trail. As a class 1 or 2 system, this is perfectly legal as an electric bike in many parts of the country, and the clean looks also help with a clean assembly. Aside from the included assembly tools and phone holder, the kit has two main parts to it: the motor and the battery. Somehow, 100G Smart Tech has hidden a speed sensor, pedal assist sensor, and a controller between these two parts. In many cases, the controller and pedal assist are external parts that get mounted to the bike and take up space, but not here. With the Geeko conversion, they are not only hidden from view, but come automatically installed. This means that after installing the wheel and installing the battery, you're pretty much good to go from there. The only thing after that is the add-on throttle and the phone holder, which both go on the handlebars. Using the hidden pedal assist is really fun and kind of feels like cheating. Without the conversion part sticking out, it feels great when the pedal assist kicks in. And, truth be told, it takes a second for the system to throw out power. I'm going to assume that the pedal assist kicks in when the motor starts to report rotation, and as a result, the rider has to put in a bit of power to get that rolling. When coming to a stop, it's best to switch to mechanical gears, but nonetheless, I would highly recommend getting the add-on throttle. With the throttle at your fingertips, you can blast out from a stop and then pedal from there, or you can just ride the throttle all day if you want. Another slick piece of the system is the Bluetooth phone app that allows for real-time readouts of the bike. With the 100G phone app, you can see the speed, settings, odometer, trip set, battery level, control pedal assist, and to top it off, the kit comes with a pretty intense phone holder. Naturally, there are some limitations with the Geeko kit. Like any kit, you've got to have a good bike to start with, and that costs a bit of money too. Depending on the battery size you get, the range may not be all that amazing. The largest battery is a 4810, which is where many bike systems begin. One good and bad thing about the kit is the phone app display. Some people like to have a wealth of information, and the phone app has the standard set of metrics. The good news is that some people like to have no display at all, and you can do that with the Geeko kits. This kit is super clean, packed with features, and included tools and support to make this a great option for any bike. Also, it's coming in at a hot price. This system we've got here is the 350 watt motor, 36 volt, 10 amp hour battery with the fast 3 amp charger and the throttle option. Price on this kit is around $760 US for all of this. You can customize your kit for battery size, charger speed, throttle capability, wheel and tire options, and more with accurate pricing on the website. Big thanks to 100G Smart Tech for sending us this demo unit. I'm Brett with Blue Monkey Bikes. See you next time.